I'm going to be replacing my stock reverse light bulbs. They're halogen bulbs with some LED bulbs. I bought these off of Amazon. They were like $17, so I thought it's worth a shot. They're kind of neat looking when I saw them online because they have a lot of LEDs around them so that they'll reflect off the reflector out. But they also have on the end, there's like a little projector lens here with LEDs behind it, so that will project out backwards, plus the rings will go around the reflector assembly to also shine backwards. So it's a real simple little job, and here's how you do it. First thing you need is a Torx wrench. Torx, not torque, but T-O-R-X, Torx. A T25 bit. There's two screws, one here and there's one down here. That's all the screws that hold in this light assembly. So you unscrew these, bottom screw out, top screw out. Okay. Now the light fixture is held on by two little prongs with like a holder on it. They have to go through it, so you have to pop this off like that. Okay. And if you want to come around to the side, so these right here, this is the little holder. It goes into this little fixture right here. And there's one at the bottom and there's one at the top. So that's what secures it. Once it's bolted on, that just aligns it and everything. So to swap out the bulb, you have your brake light bulb here, tail lights and brake lights, a reverse light, and then this is just like a little side marker light down here. But we're going to be doing the reverse light right now. So we pull that out, give it a little twist, that comes out, and then the bulb just comes straight out. It's like on a bayonet connector, like this. So you take the other bulb and you just stick it into that little mount. Okay, now you need to go in and check it to make sure that it's in right, because you might have to take it out and turn it around. So let me go in and turn on the engine, put it in reverse.
It works.
Okay, so now that we verified that it's wired properly, orientated properly to make it turn on, we'll just button it back up. So you twist it to lock it back in place, and then you got to put the light assembly back in. So now you just have to make sure that those little pegs line up with the holes, and just press it in. That's that. And then on this side, you put back in the screws. Okay, so that's it. Just a few minutes. Two screws, pop it off, you twist out the bulb, you put it in, check it, put it back in. It's like a 3-minute job maybe. The only thing left to do now is to check it again, just to see how it looks. But I swapped out the left side. I'd already swapped that out, and now we'll just light it up and see how it looks. Well, that's it. It's a real simple little job. It's we'll try them out and see how they last. If they don't last, I can always throw the halogens back in, but at least that'll give me some better lighting for backing up when we go dark places at night, especially campgrounds. You know, if you get in there like at 6 o'clock in the evening in the wintertime, it can be pretty dark. So hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.